I don't believe it. Another dead end. You lose a contact or something?
Just as I suspected.
Of course! The factory shrunk. Well, let's stomp around until we squish it, huh?
I do not think it will be that easy to find.
Fine. This little Emperor Otto should be a piece of cake anyway. Let's get shrinking.
Ratchet, how very nice to see you. Although I'm sure you've seen enough of yourself already.
Otto, I am sorry that no one gives you credit for your work, but there are other ways to earn respect.
You actually bought that cheesy story. This isn't about credit for our work or respect or whatever nonsense you've come to believe. This is about power, and what is more powerful than intelligence?
The Rhino?
Nothing is stronger than the power of the mind. Do you see this area behind me? That is what this has all been leading up to. I have developed the technology to transfer the intelligence from the being in one chamber to the being in the other.
What?
After I have grown these clones to full size, I'm going to use my Ratchet army to gather every intelligent being in the solar system. Then I will transfer all of their brain power to me to become the most intelligent entity the universe has ever known.
That is pure evil.
Yeah, well, none of this will happen until you get by us.
Easier done than said.
Looks like Otto overlooked one thing. I'm not half as good without you.
True.
Papa! Is that you? Yes, it's me, you idiot. I mean, son. Now be a good boy and get those two out of here. Papa! Why did you make Quark so tiny? I've got a job to do, son. And it's time I take care of your little playmates. Nice shooting. Very clever, too. Now, where were we? This is getting better all the time. Papa? Can I have a piggyback ride? You should be more careful. You almost hit me with that.